If installing on level ground, set your posts 74.5 inches high and 91 inches between posts. Mark the location of the brackets by measuring 5 3/4 inches down from the top of the post for the top bracket and 73 5/8 inches down for the bottom bracket. Place the bracket above the mark and center it on the post. Attach the top and bottom brackets to each post using 4 screws. Assemble the bottom rail by sliding 2 91-inch pickets over the aluminum bottom rail. Place the assembled rail over the bottom brackets with the deeper channel of the aluminum facing down. Cut 2 pickets for length and attach them to the posts on each end using 3 screws. These pickets should sit just below the top bracket and may face different directions if the posts are closer together. Install the remaining pickets by hooking them together so that they are interlocking. The final picket may need to be installed by sliding it down from the top. Cut the top rail for length and place it over the top brackets and pickets. Attach the top rail to the brackets on each end by screwing down from the top into the bracket. Put the post caps in place. Pull all of the pickets tight toward one post and secure the pickets using finish nails through the side of the top and bottom rail. If necessary, adjust the next to the last picket to space evenly. Attach the post caps as well using finish nails. There you have the beautiful Trex Seclusions Fence, available in 3 natural colors.